Pupunta muna kami ng bangko guys kasi maglalagay ako ng pera sa aking account kasi may o-orderan ako sa Amazon na wala sa Carrefour sana nung last week napunta namin doon may ang tawag dito, may brown na brand na kumpleto yung set niya. Ngayon naubos na. Nagtingin nga ako kahapon doon, wala na. Ubos na siya, mabilis maubos. Tapos kaya mag-order na lang ako sa Amazon. Yun yung iuwi ko sa Pilipinas. Naantok na naman. Sa tuwing bumabiyahe kami ng ganitong oras, laging inaantok. Ang buhok. Bigyan niyo this one. Binigay ng kaibigan niya. Dahil daw, solar eclipse ngayon, maya-maya ng konti. Anong oras na ba? 6:35 na. So, sabi gamitin daw namin to. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura pag ginamit. Papel lang siya, ewan, para pang laruan man, ito pang bata, oy. Para daw pag tumingin sa araw, hindi yung mata. Look!
Very fashionable.
Wala akong makita. I can't see.
Yeah, because then when you put them to look at the sun, you cannot see anything. So it's all bullshit, you know?
Wala rin kwenta. Kasi hindi mo rin wala kang makita, as in dark talaga siya. Parang na siyang laruan ng bata. Ayan o. Kaloka.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all.
Guys, yung Bibiba, dati basa ko dyan ay Bibiba. Pinagtawanan ako ni David.
What?
About the bank. Bibiba. Hindi daw Bibiba yan. Bibi-ubia. Bibi-ubia? Bibi-ubia?
Bebe, where?
Bebe Obea. O, diba? Kung kayo nakikita nyo ay Bibiba, pero hindi. Bebe Obea.
Bebe, where?
Bebe Obea. Hindi. Yan. Maglagay muna tayo ng datong dahil paubos na yung laman ng ating Ang tawag dito? Laman ng ating bangko. Dito kami sa La Chinoca, guys. Dito sa sentro ng Stepona. Ayan, oh, La Tienda. Ah. What is that?
The parking fee.
How much the 1 hour? 20 euro?
No, no, no. If we buy something, it's 1 hour free.
Ah, okay. Nandito kami sa La Chinoca. Uy. May mga pang-baking din dito. Ang cute nito. Hi! Sa mga panglinis sa bahay, nandito lahat. Nung nakaraan sa Carrefour ako bumili ng ano eh. Tingnan ko dito baka merong pang ano. Uy. Ito yung pang 3 euro siya. Kailangan ko bumili ng ganito. Kasi gagamitin ko sa pagtatanim. Look. Oh, see? Ah, this one, ah. 2 euro. Oh, it's hot here. And this? 250. No. I think the black one is better. And I know this one. Take 2, David. Yeah. I know this one. Ah, magkano ito? Ito 3 euro lang siya. Kasi kailangan ko 2 pag sa pagtatanim. Pwede ko patanim yung ano dito. Dalawa lang. And this?
This too?
Yeah. 3.
But you know, this one we have to make holes in there, no?
Yes, this one. So, that's it. And dito. Yun lang yung nabili namin, guys. Bit.
Okay, have suitcases also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to check? Pauwi na kami, guys. Yan lang yung nabili namin. Lagay ng gulay.
So we have to go to Carrefour. Can
Yes.
we buy that as well?
No. Kasi kahapon, nasa Carrefour na hindi pa pinaalala na wala na palang soy sauce sa bahay. Kaya balik na naman Carrefour eh. So, yun lang guys. Tapos na kami dito. Yun lang nabili namin.